Hi Ninth, welcome back to my channel. Today is very special day because we are going to wind up that exercise today. Only very few questions are remaining. So what I'm planning today is we will focus to the important questions and we will solve it out and we will wind up the session today itself. And next today I'm planning to start the very next topic, that is application of Heron's formula. It means we learned Heron's formula and we solved many problems, no, and we must know what are the applications of Heron's formula in real life. So next session we are going to discuss about that. What are the applications of Heron's formula in real life? So today, as I said, we are going to wind up that exercise. So stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Do not skip the video. Remaining problems are very important. So stay with me. So without wasting much time, I'm going to explain that question. See, question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Exercise 12.1, question number 4. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. This I'm not going to solve this question. I'm going to leave this question for you. You should do yourself. Okay, and check the answer at backside. Do it as homework. But I will give you some hints how to solve this question. You understood, no? I'm going to give you some hints regarding question number 4. So by using that hints, okay, I'm going to explain the question. By using that hints, you should find out the answer yourself and check the backside answer. See, the question says that it's a triangle and three sides are not given. So what we will do? Three sides are not given. Only two sides are given. One side is 18, another side is 10, and this side is not given. Let it be some x. Instead of third side, what they given? They gave perimeter. Okay, then what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate the area of this triangle. Find the area of this triangle. That is the question. So we are supposed to calculate the area of this triangle. So we know in order to calculate area of a triangle, we need three sides. Because in order to apply Heron's formula, we need three sides. Otherwise, base and height. Because base is there, height is not there. So we cannot find out the height. No, so we cannot use that formula half into base. So only one way in front of us is application of Heron's formula. But in order to apply Heron's formula, we need three sides. But two sides are given. The third side is missing. So let it be some x. We need to calculate the third side. After getting the third side, let us use Heron's formula and find out the area. So how to find out the third side? For that purpose, they gave one more information. Perimeter is equal to what? They gave perimeter as what? 42 centimeter. I will use another ink. So I'm going to use this marker for better clarity. So as I said, perimeter is given. So what is perimeter? We know the perimeter is nothing but sum of all the three sides. That means 18 plus 10 plus x. That is what is perimeter. So perimeter is given as 42. It says that 18 plus 10 plus x is 42 because 18 plus 10 plus x, that is what is perimeter. You know how we can calculate perimeter? Just take the sum of three sides. So 18 plus 10 plus x, that will give you the perimeter. So 18 plus 10 plus x will be the perimeter, and that perimeter is given as 42. It says that 18 plus 10 plus x is 42. From this equation, 18 plus 10 is 28. 28 plus x is equal to 42. From this equation, we will get the value of x, 42 minus 28. And in that way, you just calculate the value of x. You will get a value. And after that, after calculating x, no problem, no? We got all the three sides. Then use Heron's formula and calculate area. That's it. You understood, no? So moving to the fifth question, we are going to solve it out. Fifth question. Very simple question. Here sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. Perimeter is given. We are supposed to calculate area. So in the case of fifth question, question is to calculate area. We know that in order to calculate the area, we need three sides. But three sides are not given. Instead, they produce the ratio of the three sides. So what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to convert that ratio into length. How? The ratio is given as 12 is to 17 is 25. That means instead of giving three sides, they gave the ratio of the three sides, like 12 is to 17 is to 25. That is not the length of the side. Can you consider the length of the first side as 12 and length of the second side as 17 and length of the third side as 25? No, because that is ratio. So we must convert that ratio into length. How? The ratio is given as 12 is this. We solve this kind of question from the example. 12 is to 17 is to 25. It was a ratio. Then we are supposed to convert this ratio into length. How? This ratio can be converted into length in this way. How? 12x, 17x and 25. That means you can you are supposed to write some in between. You are supposed to write some some connection links like now, then, all those things. Okay, so the ratio was 12 is to 17 is to 25. If ratio is given as 12 is to 17 is to 25, that doesn't mean the first side is 12, the second side is 17, and third side is 25. No, in the first side should be 12x, and second side should be 17x, and third side should be 25x. Okay, now just say, so now these are the three sides. That means this is 12x, and this is 17x, and this is 25x. Okay, but still we need the value of x. Then only we can convert this quantity into a number, because we need length in a number. So we should calculate the value of x. How? For that purpose, they produced the perimeter. You should be alert while I am explaining, because very next to live class, I will choose any one of you randomly, and you are supposed to explain this kind of a question. Okay, and okay, so we converted the ratio into length. Now we are supposed to calculate the value of x. Then only we can move further. Okay, so in order to do that, one more they produce one more information. They given perimeter as 540 centimeter. How we can calculate perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 540 means take the sum of three sides. That will be 540, because in the question they said that perimeter is 540. How we can calculate perimeter? Take the sum of three sides. So that will be 540. That means 12x, these are the three sides, 12x, 17x and 25x. Add the three sides. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x. So these are the sum of three sides. So this is what is perimeter. That means perimeter is given as 540. That in the sense 12x plus 17x plus 25x is nothing but perimeter. That perimeter is given as 540. So we can equate this as 540. Then, so what is 12x plus 17x plus 25? What is 12 plus 17 plus 25? I think 54x is equal to 540, isn't it? Then what will be the value of x? 540 divided by 54. Okay, and what is that? 10. You can cancel this 550. You can reduce by 54. In 54, how many 54? 1. In 54, how many 54? 1. Then write this 0. The answer will be 10. Okay, so we got the value of x as 10. So now we can substitute the value here, and we will get this length in terms of number. So what the first side is equal to what? It was actually 12x. Now we got the value of x as 10. So we can substitute. We can replace x as 10. So it becomes 12 into 10. That is 120. Similarly, we will get the second side. It is actually 17x. So 17 into 10, that is 170. And third side is 25x. That means 25 into 10, that is 250. So we got the three sides of 120, 170, 250. Clear? Okay. Now, since we got three sides, now it's a time to calculate area by using Heron's formula. In order to use Heron's formula, we should calculate the value of s first, and I calculated the value of s. See, in order to calculate s, we should take the sum of three sides and divide by 2. So it is nothing but 540 divided by 2, and they already given the perimeter as 540, so you can write directly instead of adding. So 540 divided by 2 is equal to 270. So we got the value of s as 270. Now it's time to substitute, time to calculate area by using Heron's formula. Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. Now just see, you can substitute the value of s as 270 here. So it becomes 270 into 270 minus a is 120 first side, then 270 minus b is 170, then 270 minus 250. We substitute everything here. Now just see, it become 270 into, what is 270 minus 120? 50 into, what is 270 minus 170? I think 100, isn't it? What is 270 minus 250? It is 20. Very simple, no? Yes. Now just see, we are supposed to make the presence of two similar terms, and how we should think about that. Can I write 270 as some 27 into 10? Yes, of course. Then 50 as it is. I am not going to make any changes. 270, 27 into 10, because 27 into 10 is 270. 50 I remained as it is. You can use your own technique. This is my technique. And this 100, I am going to write it as 2 into 50. Any problem? Because 2 into 50 is 100. And this 20, let me write it as 2 into 10. You know what happened? What will happen in the next step? See, 270, 27 into 10, because 27 into 10 is 270. 50 I remained as it is. 100, 2 into 50, and 22 into 10. I made some I made the presence of two similar terms. You can see Here 150 is there, here 150. So here 110, here 110. In that way, when you apply square root, we will get the benefit. So what is square root of 50 into 50? Square root. What is square root of 50 into 50? So 50 into. What is square root of 10 into 10? 10. Okay, so which are the terms remaining inside the square root? Because there is no, now the, see what is square root of 15 into 50? 50 is square root of 10 into 10, 10. So we applied square root on all the similar terms, and there is no similar term now, isn't it? We applied square root for two similar terms. So now the remaining terms are different. So just write it together in the under the square root. Don't forget, under the square root. Clear? 27, this is remaining, then this 2 is remaining. Oh, sorry, here two 2's are there, so we can apply. So what is square root of 22? That 2, you can write a singles 2 outside. Okay, up and the 27 and into 27 is there inside the bracket, sorry, inside the square root. So 27 is only remaining, no? Yes. Now just see, what is 2 into 50? 100. 100 into 10? 1000. Clear? And square root of 27, can I write 9 into 3? Yes, I can write, because 9 into 3 is 27. So you can ask me, why sir, why? Because we need most simplified answer. That's why we are going to the next step, because I can write 27 as 9 into 3. Now you just see the magic. 1000 outside. Are you following me? This is explain doubt 1000 into 1000. What is square root of 9? We can calculate the square root of 9. What is square root of 9? 3. So just apply square root for 9. So we can write 3. Now under the square root only one number is there, 3. But there is no square root for 3. So we cannot write anything. We just write square root of 3 as it is. What I did, 27 I wrote it as 9 into 3. Then square root of 9 into 3, no? ഒന്നും കൂടെ ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് പറയാം. ഇവിടെ വരെ കിട്ടി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ എഴുതി എൻ്റേതായ ഒരു ഐഡിയ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് എഴുതി. ഇനി എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, രണ്ട് സിമിലർ ടൈംസിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ഒറ്റ നമ്പറായിട്ട് പുറത്തോട്ട് വരും. പിന്നെ സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് മാത്രം എഴുതുക. അതാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ ചെയ്തത്. അത് സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ട് വേണം ബാക്കിയുള്ള നമ്പർ എഴുതാൻ. ആ ബാക്കിയുള്ള നമ്പറിന് പിന്നെ ഞാൻ ഒന്നും കൂടെ സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുക. എങ്ങനെ 9 into 3 എന്ന് എഴുതി. ഇപ്പോൾ സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് 9 into 3 ഞാൻ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകണം. സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് നിന്ന് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകണം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് 9? 3. പിന്നെ സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ 3, ഈ ഒരു 3 മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. അത് ഞാൻ സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ടിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ തന്നെ എഴുതി. സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ? 3000 root 3 meter square will be the centimeter square will be the final answer. Just check the backside answer. We got the correct answer as in the backside. Moving to the next question. Very sorry, very sorry, I made a mistake. ഇതാണ് റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴുള്ള പ്രശ്നം. Actually, I plan to reshoot the video, but already 13 minutes. It's my effort. So if I'm going to reshoot the video one more time, then it will spoil my energy. So I'm not going to do that. So I will correct here. Here 540 divided by 2 is not 270. Yes, 270. Yes, 270. What correct one? Every 30 I think here we made mistake. See. 5 2 150. Here we will get 150. Again, remaining the steps are correct. Sorry, I made a mistake. So this is 150. So let me cut this and we will rewrite from here. Sorry for the mistake. Very sorry. So here, this 270, as I said, can I write 27 into 10? Yes. Then 150, can I write some 50 into 3? Yes. Then this 100, can I write some 50 into 2? Yes. This 20, can I write some 2 into 10? Yes. So what I did, I made presence of some two same numbers. Now we just see, apply square root. What is square root of 50 into 50? 50. What is square root of 2 into 2? 2. Then what is square root of 10 into 10? 10. Then under the square root, which all numbers will remain? 27 will remain. Then 3 will remain. Isn't it? Yes, that's it. Okay. Now we just see, 50 into 2 is 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. Square root of, what is 27? Can I write it as, can I write 27 as 3 into 3 into 3? Yes, I can, because 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. Then this 3 as it is. 27 I replaced as 3 into 3 into 3. Then this 3 as it is. Okay. Now just see, 1000 into, what is square root of 3 into 3? 3. What is square root of 3 into 3? 3. See how simple. So 1000 into 3, 3000. 3000 into 3, 9000. Yes, this is the correct answer. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, moving to the next question. And next question is very simple and interesting and very important too. Next question we are supposed to calculate. Here the question is based upon an isosceles triangle. What is the specialty of isosceles triangle? Two sides will be equal. What is the specialty of isosceles triangle? Two sides will be equal. So I am assuming this is an isosceles triangle where these are the two equal sides, because isosceles triangle means two sides are going to be equal, and I am assuming that this side and this side are the equal side in this isosceles triangle, because questions discussing about an isosceles triangle, in isosceles triangle two sides are equal. So I am considering these are the two equal sides. So if it is x, will be also x. Then equal sides are given in the question. See, in an isosceles triangle, it has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides are 12 centimeter. So they said the equal sides are 12 centimeter. That means they are saying that this is an isosceles triangle. So we understood that two sides are equal, and in the question they said that the equal sides are 12 centimeter. That means the length of the equal sides are 12 centimeter. That means these are the two equal sides. So these are 12 centimeter each. Clear? Then, and this side is not given, so let me mark it as x. Okay, then here the question is to calculate area of the triangle, but we know that in order to calculate area of the triangle we need what? We need the third side. We need the third side, but unfortunately third side is not given. Okay, but instead of that perimeter is given. So what we can write? Perimeter is given as 30 centimeter. How we can calculate perimeter? Take the sum of three sides. So 12 plus x, that is what is perimeter. 12 plus x, that is what is perimeter. So that perimeter is given as 30. So it means that 24 plus x is equal to 30. So it's from this equation we can easily calculate the value of x. X is equal to 30 minus 24, that is going to be x. So we got the value, we got the remaining side, that is 6. So now we have all the three sides with us. Now it's the time to use Heron's formula. So in order to apply Heron's formula, we are supposed to find out the value of s first. 12 plus 6. What is 12 plus 6? 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. Otherwise, we can depend upon this perimeter also. So perimeter by 2, that is what it says. 30 by 2, isn't it? We got the perimeter. It is in the question they given the perimeter as 30. So s stands for semi perimeter, half of the perimeter. So 30 by 2, no, that is 15. So we got the value of s as 15. Now it's the time to calculate area by using Heron's formula. Square root of s into s minus a into, don't forget write formula. Okay, then substitute the value of s as 15. So 15 into s minus a, 15 minus a, that means 15 minus 6. S minus b, 15 minus 12. Then s minus c, 15 minus 12. You may understood, no? So it becomes 15 into, what is 15 minus 6? 9. 15 minus 12, 3. Then 15 minus 12, 3. See, there already presence of two similar number is there. So we are not going to disturb it because there exists the presence of two same number. So we are going to make changes here. So how this 15 I am going to write 3 into 5. Then 9 I am going to write 3 into 3. And now the remaining remaining two 3s as it is. Now it's the time to apply square root. What is square root of 3 into 3? 3. What is square root of 3 into 3? 3. Then under the square root what will remain? This 5 will remain and this 3 will remain, no? So it becomes 3 into 3, 9. So 9 root 5 into 3 is 15. So 9 root 15, that much centimeter square. Correct answer. 9 root 15 centimeter square will be the answer. Clear? So we finished that exercise, and next day we are going to the next topic, that is application of Heron's formula. So so wait for the next video. Through the next videos we will learn more about applications of Heron's formula. And let me tell you one thing, actually I was shooting the video because that means up to the last chapter, the thing is that I have already the pre-shooted videos, but when Heron's formula chapter started, I didn't have all those videos in the beginning session, so I was shooting the video, and but next session onwards I will use the pre-shooted videos because I already have those videos with me. Okay, so you should be alert, and as I said in the live class, we will select any student randomly, and we will make that particular student as a teacher, and they should act like the teacher and they should explain the topic which I am going to give them. So thank you for staying with me. Do thorough practice and watch the video at least twice. Thank you.